So hi guys, and welcome back to our Twitter and YouTube video for today, the 6th of October 2025. We just caught a banger in pre-market on SPRB, watching it go from 2021 all the way up to like 38, which is fantastic. And I'll show you right here. So obviously it's a symmetrical triangle breakout, but 1 moving averages in the 1 minute and 5 minute time frame, and against the 1 day resistance of 20, and we entered on this candle here around here, the 20 to 21 area, and entered at 1:36 UK time, which is actually 8:36 Eastern time for those trading the New York stock market like us. If you live in America and New York, that's 8:36. So here, stop loss 18. First target was actually around 23, but it went all the way through that with this amazing 1 minute candle, which I'll show you in a second. So yeah, we entered in this candle here. Stop loss was 18. It came down to 18.53. As you can see, it was a bit of a weird candle watching it in real time because it just dumped and it looked like it's going to come for our stop losses, but we hold to stop loss until it actually hits there. And then if that hits, then we cut it for a loss. But obviously that didn't happen. We don't cut early anyway. And as you can see, lovely pump. So this is all 1 minute candle. So it was a nice sell on this. It just shot up randomly, which is great. We got in early, and we've got 10% remaining, which is fantastic. So obviously, yeah, symmetrical triangle against the 1 day resistance. But I know, obviously, those that are in the Discord are going to enter this, and where's the entry point? So let's turn off extended hours data because it can easily be manipulated. And let's go to the 1 minute time frame as market's just open. We need a 1 minute candle close over 38.5 for an entry on this. I'm going to get rid of that down there. We need a 1 minute candle close over 38.5 to run in towards 50. Until then, probably will just trickle back down. I don't know where this is going to unhold, but you've got 25.5 as a bit of support here as well. That needs to hold or it's coming down for 20. And if it loses 20, I can see it being done for the day on this. So yeah, just push over 38.5 in the 1 minute time frame, should see it come towards 50. The 1 minute candle close over. The 4 hour time frame is a bit difficult because it's only just opened from market open, but obviously a 4 hour close over 38.5 in my opinion would see it obviously push towards 50, and then after that, once you break 50, you're talking about 65 in my opinion. So that's key levels to watch. The daily, if you lose this 25.5, I'd say it's done. It won't carry tomorrow or for the remainder of the week. But a daily close over 50, it will definitely push up towards 65, then 75, etc. So the key levels to watch: 38.5 for a day trade, 50 for the 4 hour time frame, and also the daily time frame to be fair. And obviously in the reverse, you don't want it to lose 25.5 on the 4 hour, 5 minute, or daily, as it will continue coming down. So that's if you're still in the stock. Hopefully my 10% remaining runs to at least like 65. So I'll make, if just 10% of my original position, if it runs there, that'll actually triple my daily goal for my take profit methods. So quick look at these then, SOPA. So I can look at this one here. Right then, so it needs a 1 minute candle close over 3.65 for an entry. Push over 3.65. That should be an entry for a minimum of 8% take profit on this. So unless for a day trade in the 1 minute falling wedge like that, it could easily materialize to a 5 minute falling wedge as every minute and every 5 minute candle passes by. So then going to 4 hour time frame, again it is really early, I don't do these that early, but 4 hour close over 3.65, it should continue in my opinion towards 5. You've got a bit of faint resistance around 4.3, but if you get a 4 hour close over 3.65, it should be strong enough to catalyze in towards 5 in my opinion. But if you lose 2.3, then you're coming back down to 1.2 and beyond, really. And a daily close over 3.65 is needed, just off the structure of the chart. And again, if you lose 2.3, it's coming all the way back down to the $1 zone. So hopefully it's not pump and dump, and we get that close over 3.65 for us all. On SOPA, I'll be alerting that to Discord if you find an entry. ARBK, look at this one real quick. So looking at this here, a bit of a weak market open, looks like it's got halted, but it's a 1 minute candle close over 0.65. Should see it push through. There is a really nice gap on this in the daily chart. So for a day trade, a 1 minute candle close over 0.65, should see it come in towards 0.8, which is great. But getting rid of this wedge here, obviously, that'll materialize to a 5 minute time frame as every minute and 5 minute candle passes by. So going to the 4 hour time frame, a 4 hour close over 0.8. I'll see it run into 105. And like I said, there's a massive gap here, so you need to get a 4 hour close over 0.8 for that gap in towards 105 if you're looking for like a day swing or a day trade, or longer day trade I must say, or a swing trade. And if we lose 0.55 here, we are coming back down to 200 MA 200 EMA around here, 0.45 area, I would say. So be careful on that. So it looks like SPRB is the best one at the minute. And we'll have a quick look at this one, CRML. This one looks quite good. So I was watching this in pre-market. It never really broke 12. It was in absolute downfall. Then it broke 12 on market open and it's shooting up. So obviously we need, we can't enter here. So it's broken out. The take profit is right now. So what you need now is a 1 minute candle close over 14 for an entry on this. So you're shoving a 1 minute falling wedge like this, and again every 1 minute or 5 minute candle that is birthed from now, you're going to lean more towards a 5 minute time frame. Again, we're only 9 minutes into market open here, but yeah, you need a 1 minute candle close over 14 for continuation on this for a day trade. Now let's look at the 4 hour for a day swing. We'll push into this afternoon. Again, a 4 hour close over 14. I'm happy to see this continuing towards 18.5. Nice bit of a gap in the 4 hour time frame as well. It looks a good chart, to be honest. CRML. Not sure what it does, but it looks alright. Then go to daily time frame. Yeah, daily close, easy. If you get a daily close over 14, you're talking about 18.5. If you get a daily close over 18.5, then probably talking towards 22.5, and then beyond for all-time highs in this. So it looks good. So keep an eye on those two levels, 14 and 18.5 respectively on the time frames as mentioned. And then obviously if we lose 10.3, it's not looking good, and probably coming down to a 7 to this orange line here for a Bollinger Band Center retest, in my opinion. So if you lose 10.3, be careful. Don't have a stupid stop loss, minus 70%. Just keep your losses small. I don't want you to come down minus 45% from there if you're to enter around 12. So yeah, hopefully this video was useful to you. And if you want alerts like here in the Discord, we have day trades from Phoenix, day trades from Fox, 4 options channels, and we have 2 swing traders who post their positions in the swings positions, as well as special bronze swings as well if you want to be a bronze member. So again, thanks for watching guys, and catch you all later, and hopefully these trades come in.